This is my closet. I am so excited because I have a new box for me. It's actually their Ipsy Holiday collection, and I haven't seen anybody unbox it. I thought this would be popular. I can't remember, I want to say it was like $59, $60 with shipping, but I haven't seen anybody unbox it, so I'm kind of hoping I'm not disappointed. So I don't know how you got here, but if you're new to my channel and you like this video and you like this content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I do all sorts of unboxings, and as I said, I went crazy on Black Friday because there was like 30% off on a lot of these boxes, and then they had this Ipsy, I don't think it was discounted, but it was just a special box they normally don't sell. So let's get into it. And I had posted a video of a collab. I'll leave that link above, of about 9 of us that did this Etsy collab. And I didn't have a chance in that collab to show you this beautiful, I don't know if you can see it, it's a cactus silver necklace that I got from Alex. So I totally love this. So let's get into the box. It says treat yourself, and I think this was a skincare box. I don't think there was any makeup in it. And it's got this beautiful orange paper that I haven't seen before. And I don't know if there is a price list, but I could see there's just a ton of stuff in this box. So the first thing is this, it looks like blue. It's a sequenced makeup bag. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. And that's what the inside looks like. So how pretty is this? Again, I have never seen one of these before. And the next thing that apparently is opened, it's a nail lacquer, but somebody must have loved the color because they opened it. Oh my. It's a pretty silver. Now I do go have my nails done, but these can make a great toe color. I save a lot of them, bring them to the salon, and have them do my toes with the colors because they do put some nice colors in there. So this is a pretty silver. And the next thing, it looks like a makeup bag, but I don't remember them ever putting makeup. It's by Jewel Smith, designed with love in Venice, California. Do not remember getting any jewelry in Ipsy. And it's a gold necklace, and it looks like it has like a diamond. I'm not going to open it because I could tell right off it's not my style. But it is pretty, and I'm sure somebody will like this. But I've never seen them put jewelry in an Ipsy. The next thing is worth the price of the box. It is Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. And I love the Murad products, and I can never get enough cleansers. So that's nice. I wish there was a card in here. Maybe it's at the bottom. Oh, mini lip gloss. Mini Brilliant, oh, it's in another language. But without opening them, can you see them? And they've got really pretty colors. What a nice little gift. The next thing is Apto Skincare Pomegranate Mask. Oh, I don't know if I have this one. I have so many masks, and I don't think I have this one. But I did a mask last night. I meant to save it. It's a nice brand, nice company, but the problem with some of these face masks is by the time you get them out of the packaging and then it's got all the extra goop in there, I couldn't unfold it. So, you know, you're trying to unfold it, put it on your face, it's not all, so I really pull more towards the wipe off masks. The peel off masks, I could never peel off evenly. Okay, but I just want to show you. I don't know what all these are. I hope they're not all nail polish, but I think they are. I mean, there's just so much stuff in this box, but there's a lot of nail polish. So if any of you guys are into nail polish, let me go. I think I already have this color. This is called Killer Curves. Obviously they didn't name it after my body. So there's that one, and then we got the silver, and we got another one, and this one is cherubic. And let's see what color. Oh, I think it's the same color I already have. No, it looks like it's a little. So these are the colors that they sent me. Okay, and then we have 3 wishes. Wow. So you can actually coat the nail polish on top of them. So they're beautiful colors. The next thing in the box is by R & Company. It's a prep spray, and think of this as a primer or a base coat to protect your hair from everything else you're going to do to it. So it doesn't say how to, it just says spray on generously. So I'm thinking your hair should be wet and then you just spray this on. Love getting hair products. Oh, guess what? It's another nail polish. Oh, Rocky Mountain High. Are you guys gonna start singing and get that song stuck in your head? Okay, is this like not the same color? What's going on here? No? They're in the same family. Can you see? They're really pretty colors, but we got 5 nail polishes. Then I have this, I think I'm using this in my shower now. It is the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. And I have this in my shower. You just scrub it in your scalp and then put it all over the rest of your hair, leave on for a few minutes. So I already have that one. Then we have a lippy, maybe not, it says black. This is what it looks like. What do you think it is? Is it mascara, I hope? Okay. Yep. It's this little mascara, but look at how goopy it is. Okay. Oh, and it's by Bobbi Brown. Just a little goopy. Then we got Perlice Coconut Oil and Cranberry Silky Body Butter. Blah, body butter. And look at the size of that. That is a nice size. I had just taken a shower and I have more lotion on me. So I'm not going to try this, but it's definitely a keeper. Then we have Moroccan Magic Argan Essential Oil Lip Balm. A few more things. Bang Beauty. It just says Bang Beauty. I really wish they would have put a card in here, but I guess maybe because it's like a holiday collection. They don't, but I like the case. Is it a highlighter? Is it a blush? Is it Superman? Is it gonna open? Okay, I'm not sure, can't get it open. And it doesn't say what it's on, it just says it's by Bang Beauty. So, oh, it is a blush, Smoked Peach. So it's probably very pretty if you can open it. Okay then. And the last thing in the box is a brush set. It's the Gold Glam Set 7-piece brush. They look very nice. So this was everything that was in this Ipsy. As I said, I haven't seen anybody unbox it. Tell me if you saw it and you just didn't like it, what you think of it. I do like the fun brushes. This makeup bag is super nice. So I'm kind of liking that. Not sure about all the nail polishes. They're actually very nice for the holiday if you have parties to go to, because they're the perfect colors. I just don't need all these nail polishes. Then the Bobbi Brown mascara and a necklace, which I've never seen in Ipsy. The hair care, the pomegranate mask. This is my favorite. And then we got blush, lip stuff, and these cute little lippies. And hair stuff, body stuff. So overall, for the price I paid, it's worth it. You know, you think to yourself when you open some of these boxes, like, ew, I would never wear that, like the nail polishes. But it's worth it. Somebody else will probably love these. So overall, I think it was a great box. So let me know what you think. Leave comments below. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.